Hi everybody! In this tutorial, we are going to keep our character looking exactly the same across multiple Nano Banana edits, no face drift, no identity change. So if you're looking out how to do so, you can follow the steps for that. So we can start with a one main image for that. We can do so, you can start by selecting a image. You can click on this plus option and select up a file. And once you upload that image will become our identity anchor. So once you do so, for every new edit, you need to upload the same original image. Do not upload the edited versions. And once you do so, you can lock the character with this prompt right here. Maybe something like this, like preserving the facial identity and not changing the face shapes, etc. and hit enter. And Nano Banana should give you with the particular result that you're looking for. Or first of all, lock it up. And then once that is done, you can upload the same image, and the second time you can type in this prompt like the character is a young person with the same features as the reference image, and maintain the identical proportions and appearance in every edit and hit enter. And after you do so, you can change only one thing per edit. For example, you can type in something like this prompt, like changing only the background to a cinematic desert and do not alter the character and hit enter. And once you do so, you should be directly finding the changes. You can add in another prompt like restore the original facial identity stylization and type in something like this kind of prompt, and that should probably restore it. And you can avoid, making mistakes like of uploading the last edited image saying that re-image the character, heavy stylization of the face, multiple art styles at once, etc. And even use a serious projects prompts if you want to alter the changes and make the changes. You just need to go ahead and type in an exact prompt that you would like to do the preserve the facial identity on your Google Gemini's edit that you're trying to do. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. You can try out this method to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.